Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we will explore one of the strongest tools that you can use in your business organization, which is called Microsoft Teams. This tool has been observed dramatically after the striking of COVID in 2019 because people had to find a way to communicate and to perform their meetings online without having to leave home because they were afraid of infections. However, after the breakthrough of COVID-19 vaccine, people kept using this tool because they observed how magnificent it is. So in this tutorial, we will explore its interface and how to create a team so that we can use it to communicate with our colleagues or with our employers or employees. So let's get started without any further delay. So this is the interface of Microsoft Teams, and we can start creating a community or a team from this left menu. You can see with many options. So if we chose the community, which is the third option, you can click on create your own, which is the purple button down there. So after choosing this button, it will give you many options to start your community. So you can create it from scratch, or you can just use a template to create it. And I'm going to choose a template, then I'm going to select the business template. Now you will have to name your community. You can also add a picture. I'm going to call it online meetings. Then you can add a description. It's optional. I'm going to skip it, but you do not skip it when you create your real team. Here you can see that you have the community guidelines. You can edit it based on your own preferences. You can also turn your community into private from this button. You can as well make the joining after approval from this button. By clicking on create, it will be created successfully. And here is our team. So in this interface, you can use it to write any post you want, and you can also see on the top that we have many cells, posts, files, and photos, where you will be able to find each each respective one of them. Here you can see the posts. You can write a new post, and if you added any file to your post, you will find it in files, same as photos. You can also invite members from invite, where you will be able to enter the name, email, or phone number of anyone you want. You can also invite people by going to the copy link on the top right, where you will see it's simple. By clicking on it, it will give you the link to your community or to your team. You can copy it and drop it wherever you want so that people can join using the link. So as we said, you can write a new post from here. You can write welcome message, and you can also make an appointment. You can write an announcement where everyone in this community will get a notification once you write it. You can also add what is called a channel. In a channel is simply like a separate conversation for a specific purpose. So you can add a channel for normal chatting between employees. You can add a channel for complaints. You can add a channel for onboarding. You can add a channel for uploading files, and each channel of these will be considered as a separate texting or a separate chat box that you can use so as to just separate the different purposes. By clicking on add channel, you can add a name. So I'm going to write online meetings appointments. Then I'm going to click on add to create it successfully. So it has been added below the main community or the team. You can also add a channel again by going to add channel, where you will be able to add a separate chat box away from the online meeting appointments so that it will not be interfered, or the purposes will not be interfered. You can name it, for example, complaints, so that whenever someone has a complaint, he will just write it in this place only. You can add up to 5 different channels. So this is basically how you can use Microsoft Teams to create a community or to create a team. So if you're interested in knowing more on how to use the other elements of Microsoft Teams, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because this is gonna be our next topic. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in more tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.